rebuild. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first way you can make money on Instagram is through creating a niche account. And the niche account is basically just pick a hobby, basically like cars, fashion, fitness, luxury, like financial advice. Basically, I just made a video about this on how to get your first 5,000 followers. So if you want to see that video, it's going to be right here. Or you can click the link in the description. So I recommend watching that before you watch the rest of this. Basically, if you're not into any hobbies, you can pick something easy to grow, like a meme page. Basically, those grow a lot faster and they apply to a lot broader audience, obviously, because everyone likes memes. One way you can start making money from your niche account is by dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is basically buying a product from China for $1. Then you're going to want to post that on your website that you're going to create by yourself, and basically you're going to sell it for $20. Now, when someone buys it, you're going to go to the China website, buy it for $1. You're going to take home $19. You're going to type in the information, the shipping information on the China website. All said and done, no inventory, nothing. You just need to pay for the website. That's all you got to do. Then you're going to send free traffic from your niche page to your website. It's very easy. That's what I'm doing right now. It's working out pretty well. Basically, another way you can start making money is by selling shoutouts. This is what I was doing before on my 4 million account. I was selling shoutouts for $160 for 2 hours, which is kind of crazy. I was selling around 5 a day. You do the math, that's a lot of money. Basically, a shoutout nowadays is 24 hours. It goes on the story, on the feed, like swipe up, whatever you want. As of now, I'm only making around $600 to $1,200 a month off of this. It's not too bad, but honestly, for just reposting stuff, like honestly, that's way better than a normal job. And I do still have a normal job because Hawaii is expensive, but I do plan to move out of here very soon. Alright guys, so the second way you guys can start making money on Instagram is by creating your own personal brand. Basically, you're going to be the face of whatever you're selling, so you can sell classes, courses, like fitness plans, meal plans, yoga instructions, anything really. Personal accounts tend to make a lot more money than niche accounts, however, they do grow a lot slower, so I'd recommend making a niche page as well to go along with it. So if you're going to do fitness, then I would make a fitness page, and from that fitness page, you're going to be gaining a lot more followers a lot easier, so you're going to send all that traffic to your personal page. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have found me off my bigger niche pages, so as you can see, it's working, and that's what you guys should be doing right now instead of wasting your time. What a lot of people are doing nowadays, they're creating their own brand on YouTube, as you can see, and they're basically selling courses. It's basically like a huge like 20 video course, and there's all steps and different ideas and stuff. Basically, they spend a couple days making this and they're selling it for a couple $100, and it is like a complete in and out course of whatever they're trying to teach. So if you have valuable information, I would recommend starting one of those, and all you have to do is create the big video series, and after that it's just all promoting. So if you have a personal brand, you can just promote that, and that's how a lot of people are making money nowadays. The third way you can make money is basically by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically partnering up with an app, a website, or a product even, and all you have to do is promote that website, product, or app. Basically, it's just like a bonus referral link, like Uber. If you refer someone, you're gonna get some money or whatever. Basically, you just have to find a product for your niche. You can also just make a niche page as well. Honestly, just make a niche page, guys. What are you guys doing? Like, it can grow anything you want to do in the future. I would recommend 10 out of 10. There are some people that actually solely make a page dedicated to the affiliate marketing thing. That's what I would do. Basically, I would create a whole new page. It's like a landing page. I would have a bigger Instagram account, and I would send all that traffic onto the landing niche affiliate marketing page. And from there, it would be a huge just instructions on what you have to do and what the product is, basically. So that was just a lot better than trying to like get people to buy something through a video. And I basically just created a whole page with all the information people would need for that. So that's one way to do it as well. The fourth way you can make money on Instagram is by selling a service. Basically, this is going to involve a lot more physical labor. It might also have a higher startup cost, and you might also need a car. However, this does have benefits as well. If you do end up managing the business pretty well and it does take off, obviously it's not going to take off immediately, but you're going to get some loyal customers, and if you're doing a good job, they're going to tell their friends. And from that, you can start scaling your business, start hiring people, and then eventually you're just going to be managing the whole thing. You're going to have people working for you. That's a good idea as well. I would also recommend starting a niche page to grow that if you want to do that as well. Honestly, I can go into depth on any of these ideas and topics, so if you guys would like me to do that for any of these, just leave a comment down below. Who knew you could sweat from making a YouTube video? Oh my god, dude. I don't know if that's good or bad, but Hawaii is really hot right now.